Today, we will continue to learn how to trade ongoing rallies with the best momentum scalping strategy with the best trading view indicator as usual. We will also talk about avoiding the stop loss with the top-down analysis. If you are good to go, let's do this. Let's take a look at one of the best top gainers of the day and how we traded this, the Zeta coin. How I avoid being stopped out, we will also discuss this. Again, we start with the full top-down analysis as usual. Weekly chart is not giving me big bias ideas about the price action. Price obviously hunted this previous week low and trying to make a reversal after a big drop. Now you may ask this, is this coin going for the previous week high? For me, it is far away target. If you remember the masterclass, I already mentioned that I'm mostly interested in close by concerning targets, not far away targets. Daily gave me better ideas about the price action. Price was obviously trying to balance this imbalance here for a healthier price action. Remember, price never dumps or pumps forever. It needs corrections, it needs fuel to move. How about the momentum layout? We had a very early price switch. If I can wake up around 4 or 5 a.m. in the early morning, I can easily catch this, but it does not suit my morning routine. It is way too early for me. Instead, I seek to jump to ongoing rallies from the small fuel stations, just like here in the 30-minute imbalance. If you can also see the 1 and 2 hour time frames, we have the momentum also. This proves to me that buyers are in control with the price at the moment. Let's take a close look at this 30-minute imbalance area in the lower time frames. Besides the 30-minute imbalance, we also tap the 15-minute imbalance as well. We have so many signs for a long and bullish bias here. You can also count this area as a nice overall support and resistance flip zone. Okay, let's go deeper within 5-minute time frame this time. Notice this bearish imbalance here. With the first top, it tries to push the price down, but the buyers are much more powerful on this asset. As you can see, with the power of 30 and 15-minute imbalances, buyers are already pushing the price up. This was a nice, quick rally trade setup from the masterclass. Take your profit quickly with 2-3% gain or with the closest liquidity point, and leave some runners for a possible further movement. Personally, I like leaving small 10-20% runners for a possible further movement. Let me say a couple of words about being stopped out a lot. As you can see, this rally continues, and you're still trying to trade this powerful trend, imagining it will keep going forever. But the price reversed here, as you can see. It started to drop and you stopped out. It is mainly you are not checking your daily and weekly levels enough. Once we have fully felt the daily imbalance here, it is dangerous to take the trade. Once any kind of imbalance fully fills, it can strongly react or it may fail. We have no idea. We have to sit and watch the price action. Okay friends, I hope this video was educational enough. See you in the next video. Take care.